Now, as far as JR's place goes, they determined that the existing sewer pipe runs right down the center through the under JR's trailer. And they've made some marks on the pavement to determine the location of the tie-in out here in the street. And apparently the way this was originally set up, these green arrows indicate an existing line that went kitty corner for Doyle's, for number 18, that was already demoed. And that's where number 18 came in. And they ran a camera down and came up against an obstruction that didn't help them see anything, but in digging this out they found a lot of roots and things, so they're pretty sure that the roots to some of these old trees have been a factor. And here's where they dug down. Here's an actual break in the pipe. I don't know if they broke it in doing their camera work or what, but this is going in under the north side of JR's trailer. And let's see, we're gonna walk around. In Boyd's trailer, his sewer pipe came through and tied in under JR's trailer on the south side of his trailer. So what they're proposing to do, as I understand it, is they want to run a new sewer line from the street, our driveway in front of JR's place, straight through Boyd's yard, and have Boyd's pipe tie into that, so it would be new pipe. And they've got everything marked out for it. So it would end up back here on the street. And then they want to do something where the number 18 pipe was, and dig another trench and bring pipe out and tie in here to the street. So you'd have like two sewer pipes kind of running in a V, with number 17 sitting right in the crotch of the V of the two sewer pipes. And apparently the contractor that Ola called in is going to be sending you a complete proposal with pictures and a whole report. So, happy President's Day. Bye-bye.